Definitely, it's set up, it's like a supercross style track though. Like it's good for the boys to do some bar banging.
Hey, always been a black sheep, struggling to work the ATM. I just bet 20K on black at the...
Good morning, multiverse. We are at the gas station this morning, and what good journey doesn't start at the gas station filling your truck up? Let's put it that way. Thanks to Biden, we have some low gas prices. And yeah, we're doing this thing this morning, boys. The situation at hand is we are headed to Maryland to a infamous pit bike track called DUDDS Creek. It's raining where I am in Bucktown. Fully raining, if you can see. So we are hoping that the hour-and-a-half drive south-ish is going to make it not raining so that we can shred, and it's not that often that you get the invite from Mr. DUDDS Creek himself to come for a semi-private session. So let's do this thing. The drive to Maryland's pretty cool, and there's this like real cool scenic like electric, like I don't know, I guess they're making electric out of water or something, so you'll see. It's gonna be an awesome journey, so buckle in. I'm not gonna, but you should. Rolling up on DUDDS Creek right now. It's 53 degrees, not raining, and a little bit overcast, but I will take that for December 11th. I've never been here by myself. I've only been here for an event before. See what this guy is all about, all right, guys? About to put my feet on holy ground. Oh, dude, I don't know. Here we are, the infamous DUDDS Creek.
What's up, dude? What's going on?
I like this. What's going on in your head?
You're early as shit.
Had to call on the pro. Couldn't get it ourselves.
I can adjust to 50.
Not even Mr. DUDDS couldn't get it.
Adjust the air pressure.
It's the best.
It is the best.
Factory mechanic.
Heading over to the 110 track he just built. Gonna see what it's all about. It's kind of muddy. Whoa, slippery as a mother trucker. Let's check this out. Oh, it looks gnarly. Gnarly. First impressions was wet.
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 For fun.
How wet?
That's too inappropriate for YouTube.
110 track here at Duds Creek is insane. It's muddy today, but that new 110 track is just violently epic.
I think we need to set up Land of Thrash like that.
Yeah, we do. Let's just copy paste that. What's your claims on the new 110 track here at Duds?
Yeah, I like it. It's set up, it's like a supercross style track though. Like it's good for the boys to do some bar banging.
It's spicy.
It's spicy. It's spicy.
And if it was dry,
like the womb broom. The womb broom's spicy.
that is really spicy.
Hey, she already know I'm coming.
Not at all.
I like talking shit too.
It's lit. Just take a look at the drip. You boys don't get flyer than this. Roll a dope, yeah, I'm high as a bitch. Wait, it's lit. Get that little bitch a little tip. Now she want.
No, but I can give a mean beef injection. So you're saying?
So you're
saying Paul might have been cheating this whole time?
No, I'm gonna tell you who was cheating. The guy at Tomahawk that won the 110 stock class. Guy that ripped all the whole shots. That bike wasn't nowhere near stock.
Who, Ted?
I don't know what his name is.
911. Ted. I forget.
Well,
I forget.
he loves to create
That
a
bike
rugged.
ain't stock, and I'm like, okay, so here's
That
the
bike
dilemma.
ain't stock,
So
Paul.
you ride a 110, you buy a brand new 110.
Paulie Walnuts. Think you can handle the heat out there?
A little bit of heat.
Slippery.
A little slippery at Duds Creek.
Dude, fresh out of Compton?
Fresh out of
How
the
fresh? You got it today?
Picked it up this morning.
No way. Well, are you gonna get it muddy or not?
Fuck yeah, why not? It's a dirt bike, that's what it's meant for.
Damn, son.
It's a dirt bike, that's what it's meant for.
Here we are, Duds Creek, big track. Haley's on the 100. I'm about to shred the 110, see what he's got. First downer?
Yeah, and I broke my brand new helmet.
No way. You love crashing.
Apparently, I just love the ground.
All right, I'm
Can't
out of
stay
here.
off of it.
I'll see you later, yeah.
Later, dog.
Peace.
Top.
Hell yeah, dude. Nice bike. I like that. Fresh off the showroom floor. What?
Lobster.
I'm getting one soon. Yeah, I'm out of here. Thanks for having
You're the
me.
man, dude. Hit me
Thanks
up.
for working on my bikes. See you later, man.
Bye, man.
Thank you. I like that. I'm stoked. Thanks for having me out for real. That's it, man. Talk to you boys later. Pulling out of Duds Creek right now. What an epic day. Oh, okay, I will. What an epic day. Woke up in Bucktown. It was raining out. Made the decision to drive here. Yeah, it was a little wet. Yeah, it was a little muddy. But we got to try out some of the first people to try out the new Duds Creek 110 track. And that thing is going to be primo. Like, we had so much fun riding that 110 track. Picture it dry. So, yeah, stoked. Shout out to Mr. Duds himself for the invite, for the hospitality, and for an all-around good time. So we will see you when we see you. It's gonna be a noisy ride home with these air compressors and shit. Oh yeah, shout out to Paulie Walnuts for doing my bearings, rear bearings, and my tube on my pit bike. He's a legend. Peace.
Right now I gotta keep a ton of vision.
I need me a little baby who gon' listen.